In this video, I'm going to show you how to use absolute cell reference in Excel. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, as you can see, we have numbers on data 1 and data 2. If we want to multiply them, all we have to do is to type in equal, then go ahead, choose the column you want. For example, A2, then after you do that, type in asterisk, which is the command that multiplies, then add in the second column. Now just go ahead, drag it at the bottom to apply for all these columns right there. And there you have it. You have now the numbers. Now if we want to multiply the columns to another column that's not here, as you can see, we can go ahead and type it in. Let's choose E2, then type in 30. So we can multiply it by 30. Let's go back to the multiply table right there and delete the older ones. So now let's go with the first one to type in A2, B2. Now all we have to change is the commands. So now type in B2, then asterisk. And after that, just go ahead, choose E2, then hit enter. And now just drag this. You can see that it will not work for you. So it doesn't multiply by E2. In order to do that, you will have to go to review to see the formula error. So go ahead, click on formula, then go to here to show the formula. As you can see, all of them are multiplying by E3, E4, but we want them to multiply by E2. In order to do that, this is an easy process. What you have to do is to go ahead to the first column, then just add in a $sign in front of E2. So let's go ahead and edit the command. Now let's delete this. Let's go to the command, add a $sign in front of E and in front of 2. So this action will multiply all of them by E2. So go ahead, drag it now. And as you can see, it is working. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.